So now we'll be doing some through-hole soldering. So to do that, I'll use a piece of protoboard and a piece of wire. And you can get different types of protoboard. The one that I'm using is a plated through-hole, which means that it's tinned all the way through and on each side of the board. But you can also get some strip board like this one, where there are some holes that are already connected together, but this one's not plated and doesn't have a second side, so you can't solder on the other side of the board. So the first thing that I'll do is strip my wire. So I'll take my wire strippers and strip one side and the second. And so now when I place my wire in my board, I want to make sure that the insulation from the wire is going to come and touch the board so that there are no pieces of wire that are exposed. I'll just bend my wire out a little bit so it doesn't fall through the board. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I have my wire. And now I'll come and place it in my helping hands.